Hi everyone, welcome back to Payments Simplified channel. If you work in fintech, payments, or you're trying to understand how money actually moves behind the scenes, this video is for you. Today, we'll break down key payment terminologies every fintech professional should know, from the basics to more advanced concepts used in real-world payment systems. Learning objectives. By the end of this video, you'll be able to understand core payment players and transaction flow, explain critical terms like on us, not on us, PAN, and BIN, differentiate between authorization, settlement, clearing, and routing. Apply these concepts in real-world fintech or payments operations. Let's get into it. 1. Core payment players. Every payment transaction involves a few key players. Issuer, the bank that issued the card. Acquirer, the bank processing payments for the merchant. Merchant, the business receiving payment. Card network, Visa, MasterCard, etc. These players communicate constantly to approve and complete transactions. 2. Card and account identifiers. Now let's talk about identifiers. PAN, primary account number. This is the full card number on your card. BIN, bank identification number. The first 6 to 8 digits of the PAN, used to identify the issuing bank. Loon check, check digit. A validation algorithm used to confirm that a card number is structurally valid. Please note, a valid PAN doesn't mean the card is active. It just passes the format check. 3. On US versus not on us. These are critical in payment routing. On us transaction. The issuer and acquirer are the same institution. Example. Paying within the same bank ecosystem. Not on us transaction. Issuer and acquirer are different. This is where card networks come in, and transaction is a not on us to acquirer of the transaction. Remote, on us. Issuer and acquirer are different. This is where card networks come in, and transaction is a remote on us to issuer of the transaction. Why this matters? It affects cost, speed, and routing complexity. 4. Transaction flow terms. The following terminologies are used during a transaction flow. Authorization. Funds are checked and reserved. Clearing. Transaction details are confirmed and completed. Settlement. Funds are moved. Routing. The process of directing the transaction to the correct issuer based on BIN and network rules. Routing decisions happen in milliseconds. 5. Channels and payment types. Let's look at where transactions happen. POS, point of sale. Physical or online merchant payments. ATM, automated teller machine. Cash withdrawals and balance checks. EFT, electronic funds transfer. Bank-to-bank transfers. Real-time payments. Funds move instantly or near instantly, 0.5s. Online versus offline transactions. Online requires real-time authorization. Offline, approved without immediate network communication. 6. Payment flow direction terms. 2 important directional terms. Upstream, flow of requests. From merchant, acquirer, network, issuer. Downstream, response flow. From issuer, network, acquirer, merchant. Understanding this is key for debugging transaction issues. Practical insight. In real fintech operations, these concepts come together in fraud detection systems, transaction monitoring, reconciliation processes, Payment routing optimization. If you don't understand these terms, it becomes very difficult to troubleshoot or scale payment systems effectively. 7. Card interaction methods. Chip, EMV. The small chip on your card used for secure, encrypted transactions. Magstripe, magnetic stripe. The black stripe at the back of the card. Older technology, less secure. Tap, contactless. Allows you to tap your card on a terminal for fast payments. NFC, near-field communication. The underlying technology that powers contactless tap payments. Real-world insight. Chip and NFC transactions are significantly more secure than Magstripe. Magstripe data. Tracks explained. When a card is swiped, data is read from different tracks on the magnetic stripe. Track 1 contains cardholder name plus account details. Track 2 contains PAN, expiry date, and service code. Track 3, rarely used, can store additional data, like PIN-related info in some systems. Please note, most payment processing relies heavily on Track 2 data. Wrap insight. So whether it's chip, swipe, or tap, every transaction ultimately depends on the PAN for identification, the BIN for routing, and the technology used to transmit that data. Key takeaways. Let's quickly recap. Payments involve multiple players: issuer, acquirer, and networks. PAN and BIN are critical for identifying and routing transactions. On US versus not on us impacts cost and flow. Authorization, clearing, and settlement are distinct stages. Routing, upstream, and downstream define how transactions move. Channels like POS, ATM, and EFT shape how users interact with payments. Mastering these gives you a strong foundation in fintech. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone in fintech. And let me know in the comments, what payment concept should we break down next? See you in the next video.